Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues on Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. Then this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window of Netflix. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.